just such a fluffy little guy.
It's pretty perfect. Do you want me to hold this and you hold him? Or no, you can hold both of you up to me.
Okay, wait. And then put yours next to him with little raisin.
It's pretty cute.
Oh, I see what you're saying. These little things just give me so much joy. So much joy. Look at that little guy. Oh, I didn't even make a matching little bow. That's for next time. That's for next time. Don't worry, we will be back. Could you imagine modeling clay that's like so much harder?
I almost think that'd be better.
I don't.